Hey guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great big giant flower arrangement using evergreen branches from your garden and some inexpensive flowers from the supermarket. Well, that's the plan anyway. This particular arrangement is going to go into the urn that sits on my entrance hall table, and I'll show you that urn in just a moment. Here's the urn in question. It's cast iron and it weighs a ton. Now, if you want to make a flower arrangement in a non-watertight container, such as my cast iron urn, what you need is a plastic tub or bucket that will just fit inside the other container's opening. And then you want to cram some blocks of soaked oasis into the plastic insert. I trudged outside in the snow this morning and grabbed some branches from my Thuja Green Giant. These are lacy leaved branches, and I think they will do a good job of hiding all of this floral foam. And I wish I had a turntable. Actually, I do have a turntable, but I can't find it. It's probably with my fondue pot somewhere. I'll come back when I think my base is ready. Well, for an amateur arrangement, I think this is looking pretty darn good already. And I think I've fairly well masked the inner workings. In other words, you won't be able to see the oasis. And now we can start adding some other things. And I don't know if I told you, but I trudged out into the snow this morning to grab all of these evergreens. Here's a yew branch, and we can just tuck it right in here. And we're gonna go around and just keep adding branches. Of course, I have to make some clips here and there. Here's another one we can add. And the idea is to build a nice green frame around the arrangement. And that will give you a green background for your flowers. Hi there. Okay. In order to keep this video from being way too long, I went ahead and inserted almost all of my greenery. And again, the goal was simply to cover up all of the floral foam, and I think I've done an okay job with that, if I do say so myself. So now we can start adding some of the flowers. And I have these. Actually, before I add the flowers, I wanted to show you that I clipped a couple of crabapple branches, only two, because I don't want to deprive the robins and squirrels and chipmunks and whoever else relies on the little apples for winter food. They have to eat too. Fortunately, I have many crabapple trees on the property. And now we can get on with our supermarket flowers. And now flowers, you have to do a lot of guesswork here. Let's see, we can try you right here. Let's see, we'll do two over on the right. Actually, this is an Alstroemeria. How'd you get in there? Oh well, no problem. I'll do two of this other yellow type flower on the right. I'll do one on the left. By the way, this is a three-sided arrangement. And of course, I'm clipping the stems. There. You want to clip the stems so that they can take up moisture from the oasis. I'll put you over here, and I'll remove this little faded flower. And I'll make this stem really short and just tuck it right in here. Then let's go on to another color. I have some beautiful purpley pink alstroemeria. Alstroemeria is considered a filler flower at florist shops, so they are not expensive. Not like roses anyway. And get rid of any leaves that don't look terribly good. And we'll put you over here. And take another one in this, little off center. Well, you can do anything you want with your arrangement. I'm going to get, these leaves don't look good, so I'm just pulling them off. I'm going to shorten the stem a bit. And let's see, I can put you over here. I'll tuck you back there. And, well, let me work some more on the flowers and then I'll show you what, the finished arrangement. And here's the arrangement on the entrance hall table. And here are the window hangings above the arrangement. And I think the colors of the flowers go very well with those window hangings. And believe it or not, this arrangement would have cost probably $100 had I purchased it from a florist. But by doing it myself, I spent no more than $25, and that includes the floral foam. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.